Hello guys again. Today we do have a new unboxing. As you see, this is from Parkside. I brought this from Lidl for 99 euros, and this is the model pressure washer PHD 150 F4, and this is the latest model. And let's see some of the specs. 2100 watts, 450 liters per hour, max 150 bars, max 110 bars, working pressure, rated pressure. We have a cable length 5 meter. Let's see, of course, what we have inside. The foam, the vario, the 360 power auto, and all the connection. Let's see inside what we have really. Inside we are going to find this bottle. It's a liquid bottle of detergent, 500 milliamps. The manuals. Inside we have some nozzles to connect to your water supply. This is connection. Next, this brass, you can wash your car. It's adjustable. This is the standard vario nozzle. Pistol, great. Oh my god, it's heavy. And this is the bad boy. Yeah. We have some nozzle here. You can connect it here. And connect. My god, it's beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. Oh, this is a bottle you can put inside your foam. This is the 10 meter of high pressure hose. You can turn it. Very useful. Oh, and this is very useful. This is for clean some of your connections. Here you are connecting the water supply. Here is the on-off switch. The power's 5 meters, very big. For the liquid. Here you can adjust it how much you want. Well guys, I can say it feels very durable. You know, it's not some crappy job. It's very strong plastic. I like this. Secures like that. You can push it and then and connect it. Very good. This is already connected. The unit. Don't have to do anything, just give him water and press the on. Let's connect first of all this. Press and connect. And you can put it here. You can put here your other goodies. Here's that. Well guys, that was the unboxing of the Parkside pressure washer PHD 150 F4. Wow, I'm speechless. It's very strong and very good machine. I like it. I totally like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. But please hit the notification bell because I will definitely do a review how it works with the pressure of the water. Thank you again. Guys, have a nice day.